In today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how I find winning wheel strategy setups all day long. And if you drop a comment down below, you're going to get our community voted 33 top wheel strategy stocks voted by you guys. So just drop a comment. I'll send those over to you. And while you're down there, hit that like button, that subscribe button. It helps our channel grow. And of course, I hope you're having an absolutely God-blessed day. And of course, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. The tool that I'm using here is not financial advice, but it just makes our lives as wheel strategy and Ark Options Strategy traders a tremendous amount easier. I don't know about you guys. I'm busy. I've got work. I've got business. I got 3 kids. I've got faith. I've got so much other things going on in my life, but I love the stock market. I love talking about this, as you guys know. Otherwise, I'd be a crazy person. And I want to be active in the markets without being glued to screens all day. That's why I love the wheel strategy. So what I've done is I've created a tool for myself that is now available to you guys, and it's called arkpicks.com. If you've been with me, I have a very special discount that I want to offer you guys to at least go try it out for yourself and see how amazing this tool is and how much time it's going to save you. So I want to give you guys a quick rundown of how this tool works and how it provides you information, that all the information you need about a setup and all the information you honestly don't, because I'm not a Picasso of the candlesticks, and the last thing I want to do is be drawing on them. So first things first, at the top when you log into your account on ArkPicks is you're going to see a broad overview of the market. We got SPY, QQQ, Dow, the Russell. We're seeing what gold's doing. We're seeing what VIX doing, and of course the Fear and Greed Index. These are numbers that I'm constantly looking at all day long to see what the broader market is doing. Okay, this is a great resource that you want to be watching every single day, right? Because that's going to give you an understanding of, again, the broader market and what kind of environment you're actually trading into, okay? Especially with the VIX and the Fear and Greed Index, okay? Now you can go in and click into any of these to get some more information. Yes, that's not a problem. But here's what's cool: when I log into my dashboard every morning, right, or anytime I log into my dashboard, I am immediately presented with my top 10 setups for my watch list. Now, what's cool about ArkPicks is I have built multiple watch lists in here that when you sign up for your account, you get a bunch of them already pre-done, because I know one of the biggest questions people have is like, Pete, what are some great stocks? Now, listen, I'm not a financial advisor, but I love doing Dividend Kings, Dividend Aristocrats, and I put together a bunch of pre-built watch lists like our Blue Chip Stability, Dividend Payers, Growth and Tech, Stable and Boring Stocks. All of them are preloaded into your ArkPicks account. So you'll have those as soon as you log into your account, which is freaking amazing. And you can, sort by all your stocks if you want to, and then you'll see across the board all of them. Or if you just want to see, your dividend payers, okay, you could just click your dividend payers. If you want your blue chips, okay, perfect. And we're seeing our top 10 setups across those watches. Now, in a moment, I'll show you how you can just see across the board your top, and I'm just going to go across all stocks right here, okay? Now I'm seeing everything, all of my top cash secured put setups, and I'm seeing my top covered call setups. How am I gauge this? Well, typically for me, covered calls are usually the best place for our overbought setups, meaning the RSI is shooting up. Preferably over 70 is like the sweet range. And what's cool about ArkPicks is that it will typically flag our RSIs above 70. And you could see, at least at the time of recording this, some real boring dividend payers that I love are flying high. Obviously, great setups for covered calls. We could see some basic information that I personally like: our RSI, our strike prices, our days to expiration for our trade idea, what our return on collateral is going to be looking like as well, plus what that delta is for that trade idea. Obviously not financial advice. I just look at these return on collaterals on a 30 to 45 DTE to best gauge what my monthly return is going to be. And then I can decide, hey, do I like that, or do I prefer to go be a little bit more aggressive with my weeklies? And then for our cash secured puts, we also flag our oversold setups. What are the best oversold setups? Meaning, what's dropping below 30? What is selling off hard right now? Time we're recording this, PayPal, Snapchat, right? A lot of these are getting their butt beats. SoFi, Netflix, right? They're getting hammered. And then, of course, we see our return on collateral here as well. Obviously, some of these are more riskier than others. You have to make sure you always do your own due diligence and do this on high conviction stocks that you personally love. But like taking a look at Amazon, right? We could see a fantastic return on collateral for a great stock like Amazon. Now, what's cool about this is we can always go to our main watch list area right here, and then we can, of course, sort everything out by all. Now, it's not going to break them up by your top 10 here, but you can see pretty much all the same information that you got here. You could sort by your price. You could sort by your RSI if you want to. You could sort by your strike prices, depending on what kind of collateral maybe that you're looking to deploy. I don't know about you guys. Sometimes I got a couple, $1,000 that I'm just trying to deploy some extra collateral on, so I'll sort it out by price and be like, okay, well, what's oversold right now? that I can get into that makes sense for me, that's on my core watch list. Obviously, what it'll give me my options contract DTE, as well, my delta premium, and my return on collateral that I would be collecting. Right now, you can always type in any or select any watch list that you want. You can create as many watch lists as you want in here and put as many stocks as you possibly want. Organize yourself however you want to organize yourself. But you can also type in stocks, and this is where the tool becomes very powerful, because it's one. Look, the thing is, a lot of people, when they get into the wheel strategy, they're so blinded by the premium that they don't even understand what they're trading, right? Like, go look at the people that do like MSTR. Do any of them actually understand the business model of MSTR? No, I bet you 90% of them don't. So you could type in any ticker that you want here, and you're going to be brought to a page like this. Now, this is a simple, and everything I do is simple. You guys know I do a simple strategy that requires discipline and patience and consistency. The same thing goes for arcpicks.com. It gives me all of the simple information that I need to make an educated decision, a financial decision for myself. Okay, so obviously we could search it, we can add it to different watch lists if we want to. I already have it on a couple here, and we can see the current market cap, the current share price, basic information about what the company does. We see our trade idea right here. Again, usually I'm pulling our 30 to 45 DTE. Soon this will be fully customizable in version 2 of ArcPicks, but right now I think 30 to 45 DTE is a great starting point, because then you can go take a look at the weekly return, which will usually be a more aggressive play. But for a more aggressive play, and you'll get obviously a more aggressive premium obviously for that. So our trade idea right here, we obviously see our Greeks, so important. What our earnings date is actually, this is so big, and you always want to make sure you cross-reference this. And actually now, we just launched this feature where Amazon will flag on the trade idea, flag it and be like, hey, near expiration, near, like telling you, hey, near, because look at what happens during expiration, guys. People get hurt, people get burned. And the last thing I want is anybody in our community getting burned. And one of the easiest ways to kind of like safeguard as best you can is don't let your options contracts expire the week of or the week after an earning. So you could see, okay, this contract right here is March 20th. The next earnings is April 29th. 29th. I'm in the clear on this play at least. Okay, I can then go over to my technicals. Right, as long as the fundamentals matter. Do I believe in this company? Number one. Okay, that's obviously key. And the fundamentals get broken down a bit more with our AI news summaries and what this all means for option sellers to get a broader understanding of what the stock is doing. In version 2, we're actually going to have a full fundamental breakdown of each company and then you can make your decision on how much what you believe in it. But the technicals are important because that's going to tell us what the setup's like. Currently, at the time you're recording this, Amazon's trading under $200. And take a look. We're trading at the bottom Bollinger Band. RSI is heavily oversold. We have our 50-day. We're below our 50-day moving average of 230, below our 200-day, and below our 300-day moving average. Well below all of those massive support levels. Coming down, we can always click into our view our chart on Yahoo Finance if we want to get some more information in terms of what the chart is actually looking like on Yahoo Finance. But honestly, I haven't even been really going there lately because I just get all my information right from here. We see our Greeks as well, and these are just the Greeks for this basic trade idea that we're seeing. And then, of course, what our dividend and earnings are going to be. What is our next dividend looking like? If we're getting a dividend, when do we have to own the stock to collect that? But by the X dividend date, what the dividend yield is. And of course, we can always go take a look at more information about the earnings as well for past earnings and stuff like that if we want to dive more deep into those past earnings. And then this is one I don't mention too much is live sentiment on X. Is I always like to go out there and look, what are people talking about the stock? So if you click that, it'll take you right away to the Amazon ticker page or a search, and it'll just give you a high-level understanding. And I always like to look at the top and the latest. There's obviously going to be a bunch of spam in here as well. But it gives me a nice understanding of like, hey, is there any breaking news happening around this that I need to be aware of? Like that's just happened that's causing this stock to plummet. If there's any red flags, obviously take that into consideration. But what's cool is we usually have that pulled in here on our AI news summary page. We'll give a very good understanding of what's going on with Amazon right now, right? What's going on with it? Why is it tanking? What happened this past earnings? Whatever that big news is. Obviously, we bring in all of those sources so you can click into them and see some more information. But as we scroll down, what does this all mean? What does this all mean for us as an option seller, right? And this allows me to then make an educated decision, right? This forms, basically the way this is created is taking all this information, all the news that's currently happening around Amazon, and then gives us an understanding of what this means for an option seller before executing this trade. And then if you like the risks, right, you're able to execute on that specific trade idea if it's comfortable for you. And this tool has saved me so much time, because previously I'd be doing brokerage, I'd be looking like on a screening tool, I'd then be going over to the Yahoo Finance News, I'd be charting it myself, and to me, I just don't have that time anymore. So I'm excited to present to you guys ArkPicks.com. I have a great offer for you guys. If you want 25% off for life on your subscription, use the coupon code 25OFF, just 25 off when you go to ArkPicks.com. Secondly, you're going to get access to our weekly Wheel Picks newsletter, okay? This is huge. You're going to get access to weekly Wheel Picks. Every Sunday, I send out a big newsletter with 5 to 7 of the top setups that I'm watching for that following week, okay? And in addition to that, you're also going to get 2 free courses that we quite literally sell here for every day for like 97 to 100, 200 bucks. You're going to get my covered calls for busy people and my cash secured puts for busy people, okay? So you're getting 2 free courses. Great for you if you're a beginner. You're getting weekly Wheel Picks, and you're getting ArkPicks.com software, right? And you're getting 25% off with coupon code 25OFF. So how do you redeem all this stuff? Literally just head over to ArkPicks.com, use the coupon code 25OFF. You'll automatically get all of those bonuses, and just shoot me an email, peter@onlypeterpru.com, and I'll make sure you have all of that for yourself. But I'm super excited about this tool, guys. I've been using it now for the past few months, developing it for many months right now, and I'm so excited to keep developing it and bringing new features and updates to it, which we have some really cool ones coming soon. So you definitely want to lock in your price because we will most likely be raising the prices as we add more advanced screening features to ArkPicks.com. Guys, remember, sell options, collect premiums, repeat. I'll see y'all tomorrow.